Oh, no!
Your dog, your wife is trying to settle.
Oh.
Hey, that's a bad.
Vroom vroom! This bunny's an excellent driver for his reverse driving technique.
Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Cat's paws could be a telephone. Hi, what's your emergency? To bite or not to bite? Silly kitty cat.
I don't even have it on.
This parrot takes his oranges very seriously. No touching, please. I've got this. When life gives you lemons, just lick them like this dog. Yucky!
Bruno. Bruno.
That sneezing cat has quite the dope beat going. A true musical talent.
Okay, Lynn here. I'm prepared to offer you a deal. Deal? Look this way.
How did the cat even get up there in the first place? A great mystery.
Yo! Ach du Scheiße! Wolfie? 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 I thought you were dead.
The baby pig's exuberance is infectious, so don't mind his clumsiness.
No more. No.
But Mom, there is still a lot of food in this treasure box.
No.
A dog with folded arms. He deserves to be the most well-behaved pup. Who knows cats and nylon bags can be a comedy show? It's entertaining. Lava floor alert. This dog wants to be carried across. Quick, protect those paws.
Meow. Meow.
This dog surely has a Hispanic mum. Why? Because of this. Time to take responsibility.
Usted lo tocó, usted lo limpia, cabroncito. Vuelve a hacer eso, ya verás.
Is it that kind of day, Poppy?
One leg raising, one leg down. He's stretchy like a doggo spy. Walking on a pole's tricky. Hold on tight, kitty. Oops. Uh-oh, don't close the bottle cap when you have a parrot who loves drinking water at home. Two kitties, one's asleep, and one had a not-so-gentle wake-up call. Admit this fact, this chihuahua's tongue-sticking antics cracked you up. Blep, blep, blep. Have you ever seen a kitty catching mice on an iPad with his husky buddy? It's a digital adventure.
What else did you tear up? Why is it?
What's this?
You were misbehaving today.
Let's play hide and seek with your dog. It will be a blanket of a time. Is this kitty thirsty or becoming a flower in the vase? The parrot is in a notebook biting mood. He's either impressing us or showing that the notebook is boss. Small pup has a big attitude. Mum, mealtime is not playtime.
Not your toy. Leo, get down. You are not the Tiger King.
Give me my alpaca back.
You are not the Tiger King.
Put it down. Put it down.
Leo.
Carol Baskins.
What is the cat looking at? It's something shocking, or he's just being theatrical. Look at this bunny munching on those adorable cheeks. It's cuteness overload.
Hey, Nicolás, tranquilo. No le pegues. No. Hey, tranquilo. Be nice. Be nice.
What if this chubby puppy rolls? He'll come home as the first.
Back, okay, buddy?
This kitty cat's clearly a pro at getting the fries. But Kitty, you want some ketchup? Dogs love playtime under the table, and this dog's tail said it all.
Come here. Can I have your paw? Oh, that was so aggressive. Good girl. Good cop.
Look at how this pump quenches his thirst at the fountain. Cheers to good hydration, buddy.
Well, you're pretty funny, huh?
Water everywhere, but how to drink? Somebody please give her a tutorial. Welcome to our greatest circus show, where balancing baby goats will have this epic debut of all time. Oh, how cute! This raccoon's snack attack. I'm coming, carrots! Two baby goats are having their playdate. One's a patient, one acts like a doctor. Good game.
Are you smiling in the mirror? Are you smiling in the mirror? Where is he? Where's that other donkey? Oh, are you excited, smiling?
Grinning how Donkey flexes his teeth to his last breath. How to activate Shy Cat mode. Wait until they pump their head. Ouch! Ouchie!
Oh, come on.
This puppy's like, catch me if you can, chicken. I'm the new dancing sensation in the farm. What fast food? This parrot is just inspecting this box for cleanliness. Spotless, right? And yummy too.
What are you doing?
Don't do it, Arrow. Ah!
Guess what this horse did after destroying its owner's car?
You're a little dick.
Here comes the furry Aladdin and his magical carpet. Hold on tight and fly! When you think you're sporty and your duck excels in synchronized swimming and the 100-meter waddle.
Oh, baby!
Have nothing to do? Talking with the dustpan might be a good idea. This ferret's like, I played a note. Now it's pause for applause. What a showstopper he is.
The whole way across. You okay? Is it scaring you?
That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed all the cute and funny animal moments. I'll see you again. Later.